Hello everyone and hello friend. So now I'm in beside the road. So now I'm stuck in beside the road, guys, because the rain is turned and the weather is not good. So everyone, I'm wait turn rain maybe 15 minutes now in beside the road, and until now, guys, until Isha I'm stuck in here because the rain just just turn, guys. And if I'm continue my motorcycle now, maybe I'm my clutter is maybe I'm hujan-hujanan basah, guys. So now I see motorcycle and the car in the road, but I'm stay inside the road because uh, I'm lazy to play red. So now prayer Isha, and now until now I'm stuck in here. Maybe I don't know when I'm continue go to Moyot. I'm boring, guys, because I don't know the rain when the rain is turned, and if I in my home and the rain is turned, maybe I'm not go to school, guys. I'm stay in home and I'm sleep in home, in my home. But now I'm until Tanah Kakan, right? Because so far away for back to my home, and maybe I'm continue go to Moyot after the rain, after nothing rain, right? And now uh, I can see motorcycle and car in the road, and I'm stuck in here, guys. Oh, it's amazing, guys. So the rain is turning, and I'm I don't I cannot go to Moyot. So this is now I'm in front of maybe this is was car wash here, maybe, but I don't know, guys. So I'm staying here, guys. Help me, you way. Help me. If you have the car, help me now in here, because I don't. I cannot go to Moyot because the rain is turned, guys. And usually in night I'm teaching, so maybe I hope this rain is pause, rain pause, and I can go to Moyot for to school, for teaching now, guys, because I think my student wait me now. But now maybe my student prayer Isha, and after prayer Isha, if I done in school, if I'm not in school, maybe my student wait me, guys. I'm so very boring now, guys, because the rain is turned, and uh, the rain not want to pause, guys. So guys, maybe now not very good now, guys, because the rain and in tomorrow I have subject, guys. So I'm come to campus. Guys, if the rain turn, and when I'm in home, maybe I don't go to school, and maybe I'm stay in my home and sleep in my home. But now I'm walk, and I'm driving the motorcycle, and so in my home not seeing the rain. And when I'm in Sapit, the rain is turned, but little, guys, little, not big. So guys, after I'm until min model, the rain is big, and I'm next driving, and I'm until Barumayung, and after in Barumayung, maybe I wanna stop, I wanna stuck in Pertamina, but I think not good, so I'm the next to in here. This is now in Tanakan, but so it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No problem, no problem. So maybe now I'm teaching reading the kunut. You know kunut, guys? This is kunut. You can reading in prayer subuh in 2 rakaat after you ruku. So, so guys, I'm sorry because I'm use helmet, because I'm use motorcycle, not car. So I'm go home, I always make the helmet if I'm use motorcycle. Because why I'm use helmet? Because I like because my A not hit the boo, and not so I see my friend in the road, guys. My friend in Pampas Exclusive Pijot. I see, I see my friend, guys. But he continue driving, guys. So so now I'm stuck in here, but I don't uh, I'm don't want I'm not one basah now, guys. Maybe now after I make the vlog, after I'm up my vlog, I just next continue go to Moyot. You see that, guys? I've used helmet. Okay, guys, maybe now the rain is off, but the rain turn small, very small, guys. So after I'm upload my video, I just continue go to Moyot. You see, guys, this jacket, my jacket. So everyone, aduh, thank you, guys, thank you so much, because if I'm my speak not good to all of you, I'm sorry, because now I'm study and I'm trying to speak English. So everyone, I hope all of you not angry because my speak not good, guys. And don't forget to like my channel and subscribe my channel, and I hope all of you as well. And thank you so much, because now I wanna continue go to Moyot, and thank you so much to all of you, and see you next time.